So too much happy
Yes.
today. Yes, brother, first time. First time I'll try. So I meet you and I see you.
Well, it's my privilege. It's my pleasure,
Thank you,
and
brother.
it's my fortune, sir.
No, brother, you are good job now. You are good job, good doing job. So
Yes, yes.
everybody so learn something. You too much help.
Thank you, sir.
I am too much happy, brother.
Really?
Really, brother. Leave me. Too much happy. I see you, but only I see you, so I am too much happy. First time I will try, so first time to receive you call. Like,
You are welcome, sir. You are always welcome.
thank you, sir.
Where are you calling from, sir?
I am calling from Saudi Arabia, sir.
Saudi Arabia.
Sir,
Yes, yes. What you do then? What you do?
I am sir driver.
You are a driver.
Yeah.
You are a house driver or a company driver?
No, sir, company driver, big truck. I have big truck.
You have big truck.
Yeah, sir, I drive big truck. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. You didn't introduce yourself to me. Please, I want you to introduce yourself.
I am Jawahar Lal Yadav.
Mm-hmm.
I am basically I am from India, Allahabad.
Allahabad.
Uh, since
Mm-hmm.
2010 here I am living here, Saudi Arabia, doing job.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yes, brother.
And sir, I want to know that what is the difference between a house driver and in a company driver? I want to know the difference.
Too much difference, brother. Too much difference. Yeah, house driver, not freedom. And
Mm-hmm.
24 hours working. This guy, too much problems. House driver. Some people,
Mm-hmm.
some house is good, but 50% not good. Struggle too much here. Driver, house driver.
Mm-hmm. Why, sir? Why it happened? Why?
Like the family working, so 24 hours. Sometimes girl, his owner girl, yeah, I go
Yeah,
to market. Then who finish? Then madam call him. Come,
yeah,
Muhammad, come. Go
yeah.
shopping. Some
Uh-huh.
little, maybe working.
Mm-hmm.
No, one timetable. No, he have no timetable. How can't any time 24 hours he ready. Then he
Yeah,
call.
you have to be ready 24 hours. They will call you anytime. There is no
Yeah,
fixed time.
yeah, brother, yeah. Yeah.
And what about the company, sir? What about the company driver?
Company brother, company timetable, company to
Yeah,
time to schedule.
yeah.
Yeah. So, but I like my big truck. So
Mm-hmm.
one day loading. So go
Yeah.
far, too much far, 400 kilometer, 500 like Riyadh, Jeddah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Go so 2 day. The mom you go
Mm-hmm.
morning time, evening time here return. So
Return.
local then you loading local. So
Mm-hmm.
local no problem. 2 hours,
Mm-hmm.
3 hours finish.
Mm-hmm.
Then your work finish. You are yeah. What I do? Then you are free. Then
Yeah.
your local finish. You are free.
So it's mean that after completing your job, you are free.
Yeah.
Nobody will call you.
No calling. No call me.
So there are lots of people. Do you what do you suggest people driver in a Gulf country?
Yeah.
What do you want to suggest them? What do you want to suggest them? Whether it's good or not?
Uh, brother, then your relative here working. So call you.
Yeah,
Yeah, here one vacancy. He know
yeah,
everything about family, Saudi family.
yeah,
So
yeah.
good. Then
Mm-hmm.
stranger home, stranger
Uh,
Saudi. It's so not good, brother. Because I don't know about him. So
mm-hmm.
then here he come. So here problem,
Hello.
yes, brother.
Yes, yes, sir. So stranger is not good.
Stranger not good, brother. Good. Some people good, some not good. But I don't know who good, who bad. So
Yes,
like,
yes.
yeah,
I
brother.
see, I see.
Something give me suggestion, brother. How am I speaking English fluence? I want. I educated, not educated.
Uh-huh.
Only 10.
Only
So
10.
yeah, but English speak. I learn English speaking.
Yes.
So I call you. Some give me
Yeah, that.
suggestion as you more people you teach.
So, Mr. Jawahar,
Yes,
why you want to learn English? First of all, you tell me.
I don't like English speaking person. So anybody attractive so
Hmm.
much too much. So
Yeah.
I think I think near about too much people. So English call English
Yeah.
talking. So I think why I do not do just learn English. I
Yes, yes,
speak
yes.
them.
That's cool. The
Yeah,
main thing is practice.
morning time, brothers. I am walking. So morning time 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
So I'm
Uh,
I am self practice speaking.
yeah.
Everything is
Hmm.
speaking. Only for, 3 and a half hour, 30 minutes. I am running. So I am speaking continually. But
Yeah.
something,
That's cool.
yeah, brother.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. And read something as well. Read something.
Yeah, brother,
So it.
I have too much time because I am go there delivery. So customer tell me
Mm,
some 2 hours wait. After 2 hours unload, 3 hours of
hmm.
unload. So I am waiting
Yeah.
here in sitting in my truck. So I am
Hmm.
reading. I have one book. So I am reading and writing.
Which book you have, sir? Which book you do you have?
Yeah, brother. I have so 10 years before I take one guide book. 10 years
Uh,
before then I arrive here Saudi Arabia. So I take with India source of this book. You know, too much old book.
English speaking course. Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
It's very old.
Yeah, brother. And 10 years before I take this. Now I
Yeah.
have.
Okay. Okay. You know Rapidex English book, sir? Do you know Rapidex English speaking course?
Yeah, I know, brother.
It's a fantastic book, by the one.
But I am here search here available, not available. I don't
Yeah,
know.
it is available. It is available in Saudi Arabia,
Yeah,
or you can purchase from Amazon.
yeah.
Amazon. There is available. I think so. As far as I know, I think there's availability.
Okay, brother. I try.
Yeah. So the book will help you a lot to improve your English.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
I suggest you personally. This is your beginning stage right now. That's why I
Yeah,
suggest you
yeah.
buy this book and keep practice every day. Read the book and keep practice. So
Okay,
it
brother.
help you a lot.
Yeah. Okay, brother.
And and try to practice with someone or yourself. If you don't find partner, try to practice with yourself.
Yeah. I self 30 minutes daily morning time. I self practice speaking English loudly, running. Then I speaking loudly. So I do it.
So tell me more about Saudi Arabia. Are you enjoying your job, sir?
I am enjoying, sir. Too much here. Enjoying. No problem here. Saudi Arabia, good country for me,
Good
for
country.
everyone. Yeah, yeah. Brother.
And
So,
what about the other Indian guy who working in Saudi Arabia? I heard there are lots of a doctor, engineer.
yeah,
You
brother.
know.
Too much here. Here, doctor. Then you go
Uh,
hospital. Maybe hospital and 40% Indian doctor, Indian nurses.
mm,
So too much
mm.
people here.
And Saudi Arabian people like Indian people. We are working very hard. We are
Yeah.
work ethic.
Yeah,
We
brother.
are
Yes,
genuine.
brother. Yeah, yeah. So big company. So position company supervisor, other guy. So too much Indian people
Mm.
here. First Kerala state, India.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They are very smart.
yeah. He's smart, so he have good brain working good. So here too much business, doing business here,
Yes.
Kerala. No, but mine.
Kerala, then Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka.
Yeah, brother. Saudi Arabia and Dubai. So first Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah. Here
MashaAllah,
my
MashaAllah.
look
It's
look
good.
here my friend. Here my friend, Mr. Fortunato, Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. This is our
Kamusta
company.
ka? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka? You know, brother? Kamusta ka?
Yeah, mabuti, mabuti.
Good, brother. How can you speak English? Oh, yeah, Filipino, brother.
Well, that's not. It's a big. It's not a big deal, sir.
Good, brother. You are talented, brother. You are too much help other guys. Too much people say learn you. Good, brother.
I'm trying. I'm trying my best, sir. I'm trying my best to provide you best of my knowledge to you people who really want to learn English language.
You good job, brother. Too much people help you. So God, you help.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I listening your YouTube channel. So I speaking. I anything I learn now. Told you. I told conversation with you. Your video I see. Then I learn because before I not English. Not I don't know English too much. Only reading I know, but speaking nothing.
I'll tell you one secret, sir. The more you talk, the more you learn. The more you practice, the more you learn.
Okay,
Keep
brother.
in your mind my word. Keep in your mind my word. The more you practice, the more you learn.
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
I do it, brother. No problem. Because I want to learn English speaking. So
Yes, yes.
anything you give suggestion, I them do it. No problem.
Only one suggestion right now. The more you talk, the more you learn. The more you practice, the more you learn. That's
Okay,
it.
brother. Okay,
Okay,
brother.
sir.
I do it. Okay, brother. Thank you, brother.
Okay, then.
I meet. Nice
Take
to
care.
meet you,
See you.
brother.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, brother.